Hello everybody, YouTube land. Figured it was time I introduced myself. Made several videos and not told you really who I am or showed you who I am. My name is Desert Horizons, that's my handle. My channel is Arizona Off-Grid Unplugged. The reason I call it Unplugged is because we're still going to be using propane and we're still going to be getting water trucked in from someplace. I do have a solar panel on the roof, 100 water, with a charge controller and one battery. Been working beautiful so far. Alright, well, you guys take care. Have yourselves a fun day, fun weekend. Hope you remember what Memorial Day is for, is to honor the soldiers and the fallen soldiers who've risked their lives and given their lives for our freedom so that I can live like this and you can live like you live. Alright, take care, have fun. This is Desert Horizons, AZ Off-Grid, Unplugged.
Something rare. Another windstormy day. So okay, here's thing one. I have no name for this one yet. And you can see it's a female. That's the brown one with the white stripe on its head. Only got one of these. Good puppy. Yes, you are. Good puppy. Look in the camera. Alright, that's one. And here's the second brown one. This is the one I call Suzy. She's a female, obviously. This is thing two. Good puppy. Yes. Look at the camera. Look at those eyes. I don't know if you can see them, but they're weird. Alright, that's number two. And this is a boy. Watch out, Rennie. This is the one I've been calling Bear. Just so I can keep him straight. Watch out, Rennie. Watch out. Go play. Go play with Sugar. I got one of them. Here. There you go. This one has figured out how to get out of the corral. And you see it's a boy too. So that's the well, that's the one I call Bear Claws, because it's all black except for its feet. It'll look like bear. All right. And this is Geezer. Yeah. Geezer's a girl. Go back inside your corral. How did Bear get out? Or did I not put it back in? So this one's Geezer. That's the last of the brown ones. Go away. Alright, and here's the second black one. This one has a white stripe on its head, and a little white stripe on its neck, and white paws. And it's a girl. Here comes Bear Claws again. This is the only one that's figured out how to jump out over the corral. And then we got this one. This is the third black one. See, it's got white on this chin. And it's a boy. Get the camera. Yeah, you good puppy. And that soda can there to give you an idea of their sizes. When they were first born, that was how big they were, was the size of the soda can. And then the last one, should be anyway. This is Iommi. If he was given a bath, he'd be all white, but he's a little brown now. And you see, Iommi's a girl too. So both Iommi and Geezer are girls. That's should be all 8 of them. I'll have to go back and double check. I'm pretty sure that's all 8. If anybody wants any puppies, get a hold of me. See, they're still eating. That's why I knew where to get them. That was a lot of work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're all 8. All 8 are in there. They're so cute. The other day, I had all 8 of them up here on the corral. That was cute as hell. But I knew they'd never stay there when I got the camera. And I got Remy right here by my side. Aren't you, Remy? Aren't you, Remy? You good puppy. Yes, you are. There's Bear Claws. And he's climbed back in too, so he knows how to do that. It's a little farther down for him on the other side. You good puppy. You good Bear Claws. Huh? You good Bear Claws. Yeah. Not everything in this world is for you to put your mouth on. Not everything. I know that was your first experience when you were first born. Find something to put your mouth on. And it's done you pretty good so far, hasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. All these puppies are dirty. They all need a bath. They've all had their first shots at 6 weeks. They all seem to be healthy and inquisitive as can be. And here's my Remy, laying here, getting some loving, knowing all her puppies are taken care of because I'm here, so she can relax. When I got up this morning, this one was outside of the corral, so. And as you can see, I haven't totally moved off the porch. Got this all blocked up. And they're all moved out here. Got to use that blanket that they were crapping on for a while for shade. They seem to be doing all right. And of course they have plenty of water right there. So, yeah, I had to move them off the porch. Can't believe how much poop 8 little puppies can produce. It's a lot. So, hey Suzy. The average today is 95 degrees. By Friday, the average will be 97 degrees. Now, over the last week, the temperatures have been below normal in the 80s, and this is the second weather forecaster I've listened to that claims last week was chilly. Now this weather forecaster was in North Dakota less than 2 years ago, and she's already calling 80s chilly. Tucson does to you.